In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge a smartwatch without a charger. While it is possible for you to do this, it is going to depend on some circumstances. For most smartwatches, you will have to charge them by placing them on a specific magnetic puck. So in this example, the Apple Watch goes on this magnetic puck, and then by plugging the USB-C end into a wall adapter and consequently a wall outlet, you are able to charge it. Now, like I said before, you will be able to do this depending on the circumstances. If you don't have access to the wall adapter, then you can still charge your smartwatch. But if you lost access to the wall adapter and the magnetic charging puck, then most likely it is going to be impossible. The bare minimum that you will need is access to a specific charging base, charging puck, or somewhere that you can place the watch in. Because as long as you have the magnetic base, you can use the USB-C end of this cable and plug it into any valid power source. This can include a power bank, it can include a smartphone, it can include a laptop, and so on. As long as the device that you plug it in has power pass-through on its USB-C port, it is going to provide power to the smartwatch placed in here. Alternatively, some watches will have what's referred to as key or Qi charging or Qi standard. This allows you to place the watch on the back of a compatible device and it will receive power from that device. So in this example, the iPhone will send some of its battery and it is going to slowly charge the smartwatch. For this, you don't need anything. You just place it at the back of a compatible device. But this is going to be limited to specific phone brands such as Huawei, Garmin, or Samsung. iPhones primarily don't have this functionality, so it is only going to be an option if you have a smartwatch not from Apple. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.